The Asus Q502 laptop's keyboard uses chiclet-style keys with a membrane switch design. When keys feel small, it usually refers to looseness, detachment, sticking, or unresponsiveness rather than their actual size. This often stems from wear, dust, or minor physical damage. Think of it as the key feeling unstable or less tactily satisfying. Keycaps can pop off when the plastic clips that hold them in place become broken or worn from repeated use or accidental drops. Over time, the rubber domes beneath each key compress and wear out, reducing the key travel distance and making keys feel smaller or less responsive. Dust and debris from your environment can accumulate and clog the keyboard switches, causing keys to stick or fail to register inputs properly. Each keyboard key consists of three main components: the keycap on top, the switch mechanism in the middle, and the PCB contact at the bottom that registers the key press. Understanding these components makes cleaning the switches and properly reattaching keycaps absolutely vital for maintaining keyboard functionality. Before starting any repair on your Asus Q502 laptop, gather essential tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set for removing screws, plastic pry tools called spudgers for safely opening the device, and an anti-static mat to protect against electrostatic discharge. For safety, always disconnect the laptop battery and power source before working. This prevents damage from electrostatic discharge, which can fry delicate electronics. Safety first. Often, keyboard problems on the Asus Q502 can be solved by cleaning. Start by using compressed air to blow out dust and debris from between the keys. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. For sticky or unresponsive keys, apply isopropyl alcohol to a cotton swab. Gently rub the keycap and switch, being careful not to saturate the area, as excess liquid can damage the membrane. Let it air dry completely before use. If a keycap has popped off, carefully reattach it by aligning the plastic clips under the cap with the switch housing. Press down firmly but gently until it clicks into place. Use a spudger if needed for stubborn keys. If cleaning and reattaching the keys don't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies with damaged keycaps or switches underneath. Since Asus discontinued official parts for the Q502 in 2020, you'll need to source aftermarket replacements. Options include individual keycaps or complete keyboard modules available from online retailers like eBay. For upgrades, consider custom mechanical switches like K-ELF box types, which offer better durability and feel compared to the original membrane switches. If multiple keys are failing simultaneously, opt for a full keyboard replacement instead of individual fixes. This ensures consistent performance across all keys. Basic repairs like cleaning and keycap reattachment are DIY friendly. You can handle these at home with simple tools, following step-by-step guides from community resources. However, complex issues such as circuit board damage often require professional intervention. These involve specialized tools and expertise to avoid further damage. Expect to pay $20 to $100 at repair shops like Tech Gurus. Professional services provide warranties and ensure proper fixes for intricate problems. DIY fixes have an 80% success rate for basic detachment. With proper precautions, most users can resolve simple keyboard issues successfully. Online communities provide essential support for Asus Q502 keyboard repairs. Reddit's Asus forum offers user experiences and troubleshooting tips from real owners. iFixit provides detailed, step-by-step repair guides with photos and videos. 3D printing has become a game changer for keyboard repairs. Users have successfully printed custom keycap clips to fix loose keys on their Q502 laptops. This shows how accessible DIY solutions can be with affordable 3D printers. Look for open-source repair guides on GitHub. Community members share detailed instructions and even 3D model files for custom parts. These repositories help preserve knowledge for legacy devices like the Asus Q502. Laptop keyboard repairs are shifting towards sustainability and modularity. Eco-friendly repair kits using recycled plastics are on the rise, with about 40% of DIY kits now incorporating these materials. Modularity is another trend, allowing easier customization and repairs. Hot swappable switches and modular designs make it simpler to replace components without specialized tools. Future trends include AI-powered diagnostic tools that can scan keyboards and suggest fixes with up to 85% accuracy, using smartphone cameras or apps to identify issues quickly. Even more innovative are self-healing materials in keyboards, expected by 2030. These use shape memory polymers that could automatically repair minor damage, reducing the need for manual repairs. However, for legacy models like the Asus Q502, community-led solutions will remain crucial. Open source guides, 3D printing, and forums provide accessible fixes, extending device lifespan and reducing e-waste. These trends highlight a future where keyboard repairs are more sustainable, efficient, and accessible, benefiting both users and the environment.